Insider Navigation is the leading hardware-independent indoor navigation provider based on augmented reality. No beacons, Wi-Fi, or GPS is needed, and it works centimeter or inch accurate. By using our software development kit, intuitive real-time positioning makes it easy to navigate through complex venues. Customized augmented reality content can be displayed at a precise physical spot and enables 2D and 3D objects in your environment. Show required data at a place of your choice and merge your digital data with your physical venue. Our USP is to make every building interactive without expensive hardware. Insider Navigation provides a simple process to initialize with our system buildings. Millions of square meter or square feet can be identified in a matter of days. Through the Insider Navigation web interface, navigation grid and routes can be easily changed and content can be added and changed, plus many more great features. All the changes you make in the Insider Navigation web interface will be immediately transferred to the clients using our software development kit. And here is the best part. Our system is easily scalable, works with every operating system like iOS, Android, Windows, or Linux, is industry proven, and your data is secure. Visit our website, www.insidernavigation.com.